What is up, you guys? Welcome back. Hold on, let me fix this. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to yet another vlog. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you guys for your guys' amazing support. We've finally reached 100 subscribers, and for me, that's amazing. I never thought that I'm going to get 100 subscribers, but you know, I appreciate it. I know it's not a lot, but still, thank you guys for your support. Anyways, in today's video, we are finally going to fix my interior. So you guys probably know 240 interiors are disgusting. Like, disgusting. Any 30-year-old cars, the interiors are really disgusting, especially if it wasn't well taken care of. My 240 wasn't well taken care of. It's really disgusting. I'll show you guys, like, underneath this carpet. Broken. Look at that. Carpet is ripped. Ew, I don't like that. And like, if you look the rear side, it's all freaking messy. And if you guys have never been into my car, if you get inside the car right away, it really stinks. Like, it's bad, and I don't like that. For me personally, if you guys watch my Forester vlogs, I really wanted to have a clean interior, and that's my thing, that's my goal, especially for the 240. I've seen a lot of 240s with a clean interior, so you're probably gonna see me with the same setup as them. But you know, me personally, I always wanted a clean interior. So even though the exterior looks really ugly, even though I'm running stock bumper, no side skirt, but I really wanted to make my interior clean. So today's vlog, we are gonna replace my carpet and clean most of the stuff, because I really don't like it. So let's go remove the seats and try to vacuum as much as we can. And I don't know if I should remove the interior parts. I might remove some of the interior trim panels just so I could clean all of them. And I'm also gonna apply a sound deadening. Yeah, I'm also gonna install a sound deadening. I don't know, it looks sick, so yeah, let's do it. So this is the carpet that I got from Rock Auto. It's a brand new carpet, and it's a black carpet. So they don't really sell OEM carpets anymore, so I went ahead and went to Rock Auto. I'll leave the link down below. You could just go over there, and I think they're like the second party, whatever, but yeah, third party. So basically you buy from them, and then they get it from somewhere else, and then they ship it to you. You could choose whatever quality you got, so you could choose like a little bit thinner for a cheaper price, or I went with the like medium, so it's a little bit of foaming but not a lot. And look, they're brand new. I like it. It's just the only downside of getting the new carpet is you have to trade your old one. So if you don't have your old carpet, you're fucked pretty much. So yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the old carpet and trace it with the new one, like especially the holes. And also we're gonna apply the sound deadening, but before that we had to remove all the interior and then clean the interior. guys. This is really, really disgusting. Like, ugh. So I got most of, not pretty much got all of the interior parts. So all stripped, interior fully stripped except the back piece. Shut up. Next thing we're gonna do is we are gonna remove the carpet, the old carpet, and we're going to clean it. It's really disgusting here. Look at those fucking dirt. Holy shit. Spider webs too. Oh, alright, look at that. It's so freaking dirty, like, and it's really, really disgusting. I really have to clean it thoroughly. So I think we're gonna be here for a while. Yeah, so, but before we do that, I'm gonna start removing all my, but before we do that, I had to remove, before we clean it, also gonna remove all my automatic seatbelt because they're whack, and have a manual seatbelt, which I'm gonna install as well. So make sure that it's clean. It's not the best, but I clean it as much as possible. I couldn't remove some of the sticky part. I don't know, it's really disgusting. But anyways, done cleaning. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply the sound deadening. So very simple install, probably is gonna take me a while, but freaking tiring. She was tiring. Already got the carpet installed. I still gotta do some cleaning, and I still have to do some cutting as well. But so far, I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. And I'm just gonna put back the driver seat, leave everything off. As you guys know, as you guys probably noticed already, it's gonna have multiple parts for the interior. So this is gonna be basically the part 1 for the interior mod, or I would say interior 248 interior restoration. But this is gonna be the part 1. Carpet is finally, new carpet is finally on. What else? I still have to do the sound deadening over here, and other than that, it should be good for now. The only part that I hate about installing this carpet is the tracing, because I have to trace everything, and you know, it's too much trace, cutting, blah blah blah, stuff like that. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.